I'm excited about this one because this is a fruit that not only have I never had it before, I didn't know that it existed. So, like when I'm traveling around markets, a lot of times, like I have an idea of like what I'm looking for. I will actually like go online and research like native fruits of an area that I'm going to, or popular fruits of an area that I'm going to, and anything that I haven't had before, I will save a photo of it like on my phone, and then when I'm at a market, I'll like use my phone to like try to like, identify what I'm looking at, and it's also a good reference like to show it to somebody to see if like maybe they have it. So that's how I get around like going around markets without speaking the native language. But as much as I prepare, every time that I go to another country, it seems, I always find something that I never heard about, never seen it before. I've got no clue what it is, and I just like, I don't know what that is. It's a fruit though, and I buy it and I take it back. So this is one that is like that. This is Nance fruit. It's got a very interesting look because it has like that rather large like little hole in it right there. I guess where the stem was. Yeah, it looks a little bit like a cherry, but it is not. This is actually related to the acerola and the peanut butter fruit. So it's in the same, I believe the same genus as those. I guess it's like used throughout Mexico and also like Central and South America. It's popular. People make juice out of it, they make jam out of it, they make liquor out of it, they make vinegar out of it. It's candied sometimes. Okay, first off, the smell is bad. Yeah, you know, they look small and like little cherries and they're related to acerola, so I'm like, oh, okay, these are gonna be good, but that smell tells me no good. Because that smell is cheese. It smells like Parmesan cheese. So similar to the tomatillo or noni, that kind of smell. That is not a good smell. Hopefully it won't taste like that. The cheesy, I'm hesitating because I don't want to eat this, okay? But like that cheesy taste is probably the most bothersome taste in fruit that I come across. You know, it's in a lot of things. It's not just isolated to noni. It's in several fruits that I've had, like the mangrove apple had it and stuff like that. And like when it's in a high concentration, there's nothing worse to me. Like I would eat durian or cempedak or anything like any day. Like that Parmesan-y kind of taste is god awful. So let's try it. Yeah, I don't like it. It's not as bad as it smells. Here's the inside, by the way. You can take a look at that. But first, let me like break it down. Not sour whatsoever. No sourness at all. It is a little bit sweet, but not very sweet. It's kind of bland, honestly. It's maybe like a 3 out of 10 on sweetness. There's really nothing quite like this. That cheesy taste, that's a little bit like noni, but it also has a muted pineapple taste to it. Maybe a little bit like an apple flavor in there. The texture is kind of like it's kind of mealy. It's like a mealy apple. I wonder if like maybe the reason why it tastes so bad is because of the skin. So I'm just peeling the skin off. No, that doesn't really change it. This one is a little like underripe. Let's see if that tastes any better. No? Yeah. Underripe, it has that bad flavor, plus a lot of astringency. Oh. Okay. Yeah, this is going in the top 10 worst. If anything, just because of that cheesy taste. If I were to try to like sum up everything here, okay. Number 1, Parmesan cheese. Parmesan cheese without the things that you like about Parmesan cheese, okay? Just the funk of it. Sharp funk from Parmesan. Second, muted pineapple. Okay, so like pineapple juice just took out all the sourness, most of the pineapple taste. You like diluted it like a whole lot and put that in there. 3, kidney beans. It tastes like kidney beans. It's got like a little bit of like an irony kind of taste to it that kidney beans would have, and a little bit of a beanie taste. Not like huge, but it's there. So kidney beans, Parmesan, and pineapple, bland pineapple mixed up, and you get the Nance. I think I figured it out. You know, it's not good, but, you know, damn it, it is interesting. That is a flavor you do not get really anywhere else, not anywhere that I have had. So, yeah, there you go, Nance fruit. I don't like it, but definitely something that is weird, and if you come across it, I would try one of them just to get that bizarre taste in your mouth, but definitely don't buy a whole stupid bag of them like I did. Hey, so at the end of this video, there's going to be a preview of next week's fruit, so stay tuned for that. But first, business! I want to give a shout out to all of my Patreon supporters. Patreon is how this channel happens. So if you want to help me out by giving completely voluntary contribution to my channel, check out the link that's around me right now or in the description below. Big shout out to the channel Smarter Every Day. They help me out a lot on Patreon, so if you haven't heard of them, check them out. I also have t-shirts for sale. These are available on my website, which are also in the link below. If you don't want to give me money, subscribe, hit the bell, like, comment, any of that stuff. Alright, thanks so much, guys. Bye.